Minute Make Time!
Oh, great! It's Minute Make Time! Come on! Here's what we're going to make today. Brilliant bugs on a stick. And for this, you will need a stick and some pipe cleaners that have been cut into 18 small pieces. We'll also need some air drying clay and some googly eyes. Now, you can get these from an art and craft shop. I'll be back in a tick. Whew. I've got them. Here they are. Let's have a look. We've got one large ball, one medium-sized ball, and one small ball. And we've also got 6 googly eyes, and they're made up of 2 large googly eyes, 2 medium-sized ones, and then 2 smaller ones. Great! Now, do you think it's possible to make this in just 1 minute?
No way!
Really, Tocky? Well, I think I can do it, although I will have to be very quick. Don't worry, I'll remind you how to do it at the end. Are you ready? Great! Let's make it in a minute! Get your stick and then squidge on the balls of clay. That's the large one at the front, the middle-sized one in the middle, and the small one on the end like that. And then start putting in the legs. Now, that's 6 legs for each creature, 3 on each side. There we go. Let's get these in as quickly as possible. There we go. In you go. Brilliant. 3 for this one. Oh, better squish that one down a bit more. There we go. There, now the other side. Here we go. 3 legs here.
Faster, faster!
Oh, I know I'm going as quick as I can, Tocky. Okay, there we go. And now we need to put on the eyes. 2 big eyes for the big bug. 2 medium-sized eyes for the medium-sized bug. And 2 small eyes for the small bug. I've done it!
Only just?
Phew, that was close, wasn't it? And if you've got more than a minute, you can paint your bugs on a stick and cover them in a layer of gloopy PVA glue to make them even stronger. In fact, you can decorate your bugs however you like. These bugs have been painted in different colours and covered in glitter. Oh, very sparkly. Bugs on sticks made in a minute. Why don't you try it? Here's a reminder of how to do it. Let's go back to the beginning and take another look. Push 3 different sized balls of clay onto a stick. Then push short bits of pipe cleaner into the clay for the legs. Finally, stick on googly eyes to finish your bugs on a stick. Why don't you try and make it in a minute?